It is Monday, January 31st. This is the snow we've already received without the storm. It's almost 2 inches. Got a yardstick, so we can go up to 30. We get 28 inches. This is a good place to have it because the picnic table is usually real nice and flat and gets all the snow. This is the snow we have in the backyard so far today. It has not snowed today and will not snow till tonight. The windmill is not moving, but the winds are supposed to get up tomorrow night to like 35 miles an hour. We have no snow on the swing, but that will pile up. It always does. So tonight we should get another 2 to 3 inches. Okay, I'm going outside now. It is February 1st, 2011. It's dark, so I don't know if you'll be able to see anything. We got a porch light out here. Looks like we got about, a half an inch. Maybe. It was about 2 inches, now it's about 2.5 inches. Yeah, half an inch. Here's what the yard looks like. You can't see the one. Okay, sorry. The porch light goes off after a little bit. It's automatic. It is February 1st, 2011, and it is 6 o'clock in the morning, and this bench shows also how much snow we got last night for the little precursor snow. Okay. Okay, I just got home from work and changed my clothes. I'm coming out onto the deck. What time is it?
4:16.
It is 4:16. No, Dove. Okay, this is obviously getting pretty deep out here, and it's only 4:16. It is already, gosh, is that 5 inches? Yeah, we're exactly at 5 inches. Okay, it wasn't supposed to be this much this soon. Backyard is getting quite snowed upon. The windmill is blowing, but it was way worse on the drive home. Way bad on the drive home. Like white out. It's snowing very, very, very hard. Here's the bench. Here's my footprints. It's getting pretty deep. Okay. Alright. Here's our screen door, because it's blowing so hard. Dove's playing. Okay. It's getting really bad now. It's 5 o'clock. It's really been snowing a lot. And the wind, when it picks up, is just incredible. And you get these incredible whiteouts. It's not that bad now, as it has been. Here's my tracks from before. And, oh boy, it's really snowy. Okay. And we are up to 6 inches. It's only 5 o'clock. I just got home an hour ago. Kinda, I don't know whether you can see all this snow, but it's really crazy. It's really, really, really crazy. Here's the bench. And, hooey! Here's the windmill going nuts. Can't figure out which way to go. You hear that wind? whoa, whoa! Okay, it's 6 o'clock. Going out again. Bailey's with me this time.
Hey, Connie.
Don't shine it off to the side, honey, because I can't see you. Okay, there, now I can see you.
Hey, Connie.
How deep is it?
Ankles deep.
Yep. Pretty deep. Okay. We're out in it again.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
It's almost reached 7 yards.
No, 7 inches.
7 inches, I mean.
Okay, keep the light on. I don't know if they can even see this. Okay. We didn't quite get an inch that time. Mostly seems like it's blowing. Bailey's got the nice light for me.
Oh, wait, it's cold.
Okay. You like it out here, right?
It's cold. I'm going to be digging tomorrow.
Your hat's already getting snowy, Bailey. Keep it on so they can see.
Help me.
Okay, your jacket's getting very snowy. You having fun out here, honey?
Cold.
Yeah, don't you love it, sweetheart? Okay, we'll get right back to you. Stand right there. Stay in the snow. Okay, it's getting almost too bad to be out here. Oh, treacherously bad. There's the... Okay, wait a minute, Bailey. You don't get to go in yet. It's too bright there. You gotta go back in the snow. Okay. Okay. You like it out here, honey? Okay, get over here in the light. Okay, come here.
Alright, this one.
Okay, that's pretty good. Deep snow.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, I guess I'll let you go in now since your hat's all full of snow already.
Hey, Connie, it's me, Bailey, this time. Yeah, it's kind of wild now. It's 7 o'clock here. Our footprints are recovered, so it's kind of crazy. Let's go check the meter stick. Yeah. Alright, we are at, I don't know if you can see it, but we're almost at 8 inches here. Almost 8 inches. Holy cow. Oh, go! Woo! Look at that. Crazy. It's pretty cold here. I'm probably already covered in snow, but if you can see down there, I'm almost, it's ankle high right now for me. So, it's kind of crazy here. Yeah. I almost tripped there. I'm okay though, but it's got... Alright, Connie, here's the snow after an hour from before. Yes, I know, crazy. Alright, it's gone deeper, I have to say. Let's check. Oh, the yardstick is at 9 inches. The brick is almost covered, I gotta say. Oh, big one. It's kind of big here. I gotta say, really big. So, I'm gonna have to keep this one short though, but it's still good. Very dangerous, I gotta say. And, alright, Connie. Here's 9 o'clock right now. Look at the snow. It's gotten worse. I gotta say, oh, it's at 10 inches. 10 inches, Connie. They're very windy for my sake. Woo! Very windy.
Okay.